Okay, guys, so when you get onto Power School, you should see something like this, right? So you should see all of your classes, you should see your attendance, you should see your teachers' names, all of that stuff, right? So what you're gonna do is make sure check here, right? So you should have grades all here, but we just finished P4, which was Progress Report 4. So now we are in C4, which is cycle 4, which is going to be basically the fourth 6 weeks. So say for instance, we're in the fourth 6 weeks and you see the grade, right? You can click on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the grade, right? Click on the grade and you'll see it'll take you to our class. You can see your final grade for right now. You can see my name, the course, teacher comments, and then down here you can see what you got. So this student got 100 out of 100. They got 100 out of 100 on this one. Now here, this person did not turn in their homework too, so you can see there's a flag on it. And if you go to the bottom here, it will tell you what that flag means. All right, so it means missing. It means missing. All right. So that means you did not turn it in. So anytime you see this orange exclamation point, it means you did not turn it in. So chances are you have a 0 for it. So this person only has 2 missing assignments, got an 85 on the essay, got a 0 on this, and a 0 on this. All right, so it tells you your percent and your grade as well over here for that assignment. Okay, so that's how that works. So if you it tells you when the due date was and what category it fits into, whether it's a test, homework grade, do now exit ticket, or a daily grade. All right, so these are the assignments. Everyone should have 100 for the English assignment. And then, yeah, that's it. So let me know if you have any questions. Just make sure that you click on the grade and it will take you to this page, which will show you all of the assignments.